Hey, I'm Eric of Dolls to Films, and this is my office tour 2025. I run a full-time wedding videography business, and this space is where the magic happens. It is just a bedroom in our apartment, but it's my space. I spend countless hours editing, planning shoots, and occasionally staring out the window when my brain needs a reset. And I've come a long way since I was editing on a netbook on the floor with a crate in my bedroom 10 plus years ago. So I don't take this for granted, but I've learned a lot along the way, and I wanted to share that with you guys today. So without further ado, let's hit it. Alright, so we're going to break up this video into 4 main chapters, each chapter being one of the walls in this room, because each wall has a different theme. So the first wall being the desk wall. This is the heart of my workflow. My desk sits right in front of this big window, letting in natural light and fresh air, and honestly, it's a game changer in the warmer months. But when I'm color grading or need to focus, I've got blackout curtains ready to go. I'll be doing a full desk tour in another week or 2 from now, so subscribe and stay tuned for that one. All the way to the left, I've got my trusty whiteboards, perfect for brain dumping ideas and keeping track of edits, shoots, and goals. And just to the left of my desk is my bass guitar, amp, and pedal board, ready for whenever I need to blow off some steam or create a cover for my other YouTube channel. And over on the right, while not the fanciest, my PC sits on a file cabinet. I think it's great because it keeps the desk clear and hides cables, plus I've got some extra storage in there for random cables I may need at the desk, and a drawer for just a scoop and poop bags, because any elite cat dad would have that. And lastly, in the corner, there's a little mini fridge and a stash of whiskey and cigars, because every workspace deserves a little personal touch. The litter box is also nicely tucked away below because, yeah, my cats love hanging out in here with me. Next up, the entertainment wall. This is my spot to kick back after a long editing day. I've got a TV, soundbar, and a few gaming systems set up here. Below, there are 4 cubes, each with a purpose. One for cleaning supplies, one for bass gear, another for gaming accessories, and one for random camera extras. Above the TV, I've added shelves with some memorabilia and old cameras, just little things that make the space feel more mine. To the side, there's a cozy little cat bed, which my cats never use because, as shown before, they prefer the couch, and a fake plant to make it feel a little bit more homey. Now we're at the background wall. You've probably seen all of this already because it's my go-to filming spot. It's also just a super cozy place to crash when we have guests staying over. My fiance actually uses it the most to read or play some games on the TV while I'm kind of, grinding out away some late night edits. There's some comfy pillows, a soft blanket, and 2 matching lamps with smart bulbs that let me dial in the lighting for different moods. And above the couch are 3 of my bass guitars. Each one has a story. One being my first bass, the second, my dad's bass that I inherited, and a newer one that I've been loving lately. And yeah, there's a couple fun flags to round it out, you could say. Lastly, we've got the Armory wall. This was originally just a standard closet, but I took off the doors and turned it into a super functional gear storage space. I added shelves to keep all my bags, cases, and random accessories organized. Everything has its place, and it saves me so much time when packing for a shoot. The top shelf area might eventually become a little product shot area because, that's one thing that this space is lacking, is a place to shoot things like that. And I've got the lighting, the smart lighting kind of wrapped around the edges. So, it's simple, it's incredibly functional, and that's all I need. But that's it, my office tour 2025. It's not as fancy as others you'll see on YouTube, but it's mine, it's real, and I've maxed out its functionality. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe because we got that desk tour video coming out. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.